study guide. Keep track of your score and let us know in the comments how many you got right. Let's get started. Question 1. If you're driving and a vehicle that was behind you disappears from view when you're about to switch lanes, what is the appropriate action to take? A. Swiftly move into the other lane to dodge the vehicle that's out of sight. B. Glance at your side mirror to check if the vehicle has moved into your blind spot. C. Turn on your signal and gradually change lanes without looking again. D. Quickly look over your shoulder to confirm the vehicle isn't in your blind spot. The correct answer is D. Quickly look over your shoulder to confirm the vehicle isn't in your blind spot. Explanation. If you're driving and a vehicle that was behind you disappears from view when you're about to switch lanes, you must physically check your blind spot by looking over your shoulder before changing lanes. Question 2. If your vehicle has airbags, is it still necessary to wear a seatbelt? A. No. The airbags provide enough protection by themselves. B. Yes, but only for longer journeys. C. No. Wearing a seatbelt is a matter of personal choice. D. Yes. Seatbelts should be worn at all times for safety. The correct answer is D. Yes, seatbelts should be worn at all times for safety. Explanation. Even if your vehicle is equipped with airbags, it is essential to always use your seat belts. Question 3. Use your headlights if you cannot clearly recognize a person or vehicle from dash away. A. 1,000 feet. B. 2,000 feet. C. 1,500 feet. D. 500 feet. The correct answer is A. 1,000 feet. Explanation. You must switch on your headlights if you cannot clearly recognize a person or vehicle from 1,000 feet away. Question 4. How far ahead of your vehicle should you scan the road while driving? A. 5 to 10 seconds. B. 10 to 15 seconds. C. 15 to 20 seconds. D. 20 to 30 seconds. The correct answer is B. 10 to 15 seconds. Explanation. Scan the road 10 to 15 seconds ahead of your vehicle so you can see hazards early and avoid last-minute moves. Question 5. What does the picture below indicate? A. The driver is moving or turning left. B. The driver is moving or turning right. C. The driver is slowing or stopping. D. The driver is parking. The correct answer is B. The driver is moving or turning right. Explanation. The hand signal perpendicular to the road indicates that the driver is moving or turning right. Question 6. What is the speed limit on county roads unless otherwise posted? A. 35 miles per hour. B. 45 miles per hour. C. 55 miles per hour. D. 65 miles per hour. The correct answer is C. 55 miles per hour. Explanation. The speed limit on county roads is 55 miles per hour, unless otherwise posted. Question 7. What happens if you're tailgating and the vehicle ahead suddenly brakes? A. You may not have enough time or space to stop safely. B. You will have extra time to slow down and avoid a collision. C. You will be able to change lanes quickly without any danger. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. You may not have enough time or space to stop safely. Explanation. Tailgating another vehicle significantly increases the risk of a collision if the vehicle in front of you brakes suddenly because it reduces the amount of time and space you have to react and stop safely. Question 8. What should you do when see a pedestrian crossing or about to cross? A. Speed up to pass first. B. Honk at the pedestrian. C. Slow down and prepare to stop. D. Swerve around them. The correct answer is C. Slow down and prepare to stop. Explanation. If you see a pedestrian crossing or attempting to cross the street, you should slow down and be prepared to stop, since pedestrians generally have the right of way.
America's first pledge was freedom. Jeep still carries that fighting spirit. With the Jeep Declaration of Deals, we're pledging our allegiance to the American people. 0% financing for 60 months, or we'll cover your sales tax. Plus no monthly payments for 90 days. Jeep, there's only one.
Question 9. What should you do if a street is too narrow to pass a bicycle safely? A. Wait until there is enough space to pass safely. B. Honk and then pass. C. Pass quickly and closely. D. Drive on the shoulder to pass. The correct answer is A. Wait until there is enough space to pass safely. Explanation. If a street is too narrow to pass a bicycle, wait until there is enough room to let you pass safely. Question 10. What should you never do when driving near a motorcycle? A. Honk before passing. B. Pass them in another lane. C. Pass them in the same lane. D. Follow from a safe distance. The correct answer is C. Pass them in the same lane. Explanation. When driving alongside a motorcycle, you should never attempt to pass a motorcycle in the same lane. Question 11. Why is it risky to drive alongside a large commercial vehicle? A. They may stop suddenly for no reason. B. They often change lanes without signaling. C. They have large blind spots and can block your view of the road ahead. D. They always drive slower than the speed limit. The correct answer is C. They have large blind spots and can block your view of the road ahead. Explanation. Driving alongside a large commercial vehicle increases the risk of being in a blind spot and having limited visibility due to its large size. Question 12. What is the safest way to pass a large truck driving in the middle lane of a 3-lane road? A. Pass quickly on the right. B. Pass quickly on the left. C. Stay behind the truck. D. Honk and then pass slowly on the right. The correct answer is B. Pass quickly on the left. Explanation. When driving in the middle of 3 lanes, passing a large truck quickly on the left is generally the safest approach, as it minimizes your time spent in the truck's blind spots and reduces the chances of a collision. Question 13. What must you do before crossing lanes or turning at an intersection? A. Speed up to clear the intersection quickly. B. Honk to alert others of your turn. C. Make sure no vehicles or people are blocking your path.